Hello guys, and welcome back to Nagyez Mobile Solution Center. In today's video, we are about to bypass Tecno Pop 8. Model number is BG6 or BG6M. So if you have one, let's proceed. First, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Make sure you have a stable network connection. If not, you might not be able to bypass it or unlock it.
From screen to board to cable, every phone we touch stable. FRP lock, no be label. We go unlock and we able fix some
It may
sharp,
take
fix
some
some
time, so you have to wait for it to load.
on repeat. Like, subscribe, share the heat. Fix some sharp,
And also it depends on how good your network connection is. So you need to stay close.
Card link just tap the bio. Affiliate vibes now we the fly oh. Tech content steady, they grow one by one. The views they blow. Ghana based but global reach.
From here you need to select do not copy. Okay, let's wait. Here you need to draw if you know, or use my Google account instead. Because I have bad internet connection, I need to go back and try it again. Do not copy. Okay, use. Next, because the phone is locked, we can't proceed, so let's try and bypass it. Okay, just as you've seen on the screen, if it opens the Chrome app, you need to use without an account for you to proceed. So, and from here you need to tap the three dots and select help and feedback. After that, it will start loading. As I said, it depends on how good your network connection is. Then you type in delete or disable apps on Android. After that, you need to select the first option. The first option at the top, yes. Wait a little for it to load. Then you tap go to settings, application settings here. Application settings. Then you search for settings, or you can scroll through if you can. Tap on the open icon at the bottom to open settings. Yeah, you click am now. Affiliate link go show you how. Repair pathway you wow. Everything cool, no be our. Search for special functions, accessibility. From accessibility menu, you need to activate it. Got it. Go back and search for app management, app list, then Android setup, force stop at the bottom, and search for Google Play service. You need to deactivate or disable and stop force. Go back. Then next, from here, you wait for it to load to where you tap do not copy. So let's go hang on.
Subscribe now, join the matter. Nagyez Mobile Solution Central.
Do not copy or don't copy. So we can be accessibility working assist.
Phone no eyeball,
Then you
screen
tap
no
on
crack,
assistant.
battery mobile fam, and so
Try
charge,
to
charge
tap
up
on
bots,
the
no yes slack, Fabra high, yeah, but fix no fast, iPhone, Samsung,
logo.
Huawei too, we they do, I'm nice, we they move,
Done.
AliExpress plug, everything new,
Then from
we
here
budget
tap
so, we get you,
profile
screen
and
I broke,
scroll to the
yeah, but
bottom.
mend, battery die, yeah, but send, charging flex,
Turn
yeah,
on
repair,
and
phone
activate
problem, we
logo
they care,
pay
fix
service
some
and
sharp,
go back.
fix some fine, not just they, we know they lie, Tecno stress, ego shine, like and subscribe, make we climb, fix
Voila.
some now, make it work,
We are
photo battery,
done
we
with
they
it.
solve, AliExpress link, no be joke, tap
From
their
here, I
bio,
know
make
you
we
can
roll,
set
card page no,
So,
click am now, affiliate
to
link
enjoy
will
the
show you how, we'll repair parts, where it wow, everything cool, no be our Ghana
if
boy with
you
a
have
global reach,
enjoyed the
FRP
video,
lock, we go
try
teach,
to
step by
subscribe,
step like Sunday preach,
please
repair level, we
like
dey
and
breach,
share
fix
to
some sharp,
other
fix
friends,
some fine, not just there, we know they
and
lie,
to
Tecno
see you
stress,
soon.
ego shine, like and subscribe, make we
Bye-bye.
climb, yeah battery pot, FRP unlock, any repair yeah be sort, Nagyez Mobile Solution Center, subscribe, now join the matter. Subscribe, now join the matter.